Hey guys, pretty much show you how to use this VPN application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout. So at the top over here, you have the premium section. You can get your subscription. Also, you have the smart proxy option, which can select whichever application do want to get a VPN connection. Nothing much for the rest. So at the bottom here, you may see United States. You can tap on that option to much go and see all the servers that are available for this VPN. So the ones with the crown icon, which pretty much means you need a subscription to connect to those servers. And at the top here, you'll see United States servers. So only one server you'll be able to use for completely free. The rest of the servers will need a subscription. Over here, you do have streaming and gaming servers as well, but these here do require a subscription as well. So you don't have any choice but to use the United States servers. So here, once you have tapped on the server, which is the United States server, let's tap on the connection button here. We'll ask for a connection request. Let's tap on OK. The VPN will start connecting in no time. Now, once you get the premium subscription, so over here, you will go to premium subscription and get their premium subscription. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the prices and everything. You do get a 7 days free trial as well, and you do get unlimited usage. So for the premium subscription, you would have to watch an ad if you want to connect to one of these servers for free. So for that one, at the top here, select premium, do go to the premium option. Here I can tap on the yellow icon here at the top side there, and once I've selected that option, you can hear what 3 ads get connection. So I get 50 MB to use with any one of the premium servers. As well, I can add this here, the 500 MB free premium connection time. So once I've added the time, let's say for example, I checked in for the 100 MB or the 20 MB, I'll be able to connect to any one of these premium servers for free. So you can use that option if you want to test out their premium servers as well. So that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. See you in the next one.